come straight in here through this pineapple. Oh yes, please. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. Oh yes, yes, yes. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a meatloaf. We're doing a twist on the meatloaf. We're making it Hawaiian. And I don't just mean with a slice of pineapple. This is a Hawaiian-style meatloaf. We're using spam, we're using beef, we're using pineapple, a little bit of pepper, onion, some seasoning, and we're whacking it in the HYSapientia 24-litre air fryer. We're going to make a Hawaiian meatloaf. Aloha. Let's show you how to do it, come on. Everything goes in one bowl. It's as easy as that. I mean, it's ridiculously easy. Got a bowl in there with our minced beef. Now, I have a little bit of chopped smoky ham. So that's going in as well. Now we're just going to put that to one side. We've got an onion, which we are going to fine dice, nice and gently. Onion in there. Now capsicum or green pepper, whatever you know it by. We don't want to use all that pepper, I don't think. I think we're going to go for half. Again, fine dice. So up to you how fine you want to go. And some little flecks of green pepper in there. Now we're getting some ingredients in there. Breadcrumbs. Got a little splash of milk. About half a teaspoon of paprika. This is smoked paprika. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to go pepper. I like a bit of pepper in there. We're going to go salt, but not too much salt. We are using spam. Spam has salt, so we don't want to go too crazy. Good old spam. Used very much in Hawaii. That's why we're combining it into this meatloaf. There we go. A real can of spam. Now, my idea, we're going to use this tin, okay, a loaf tin. They call it a 2-pound loaf tin, whatever you know it as. Let's just quickly grease it out, because my idea is we're going to put some spam on the bottom, we're going to put some spam in, and we're going to put some spam on the top. So that is buttered out. Now we want to gauge that there twice. So we can either slice it this way, look, because that'll fit in there like that. So we're going to do some slices, thin slices, like this. Now of course this is my idea, so you can do whatever you want. Alter it around, up to you. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that spam in the bottom of there like that. Nice and steady in there. We'll get another one in there, look. So we have a layer of spam in the bottom of there. Now we want some more for the top, and then the rest's going to be cubed up and thrown in that mix. So we want a nice steady. So that's 3 lovely slices, and this is going to be cubed and thrown in that bowl. So you cube it any which way you want, and as how big you want. Look. Up, in. Now we want to be adding a little bit of soy sauce, about a tablespoon, something like that. And that really should be enough flavour in there. Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. We're making it Hawaiian. Some pineapple slices I've actually mashed up with my hands, and I've drained the juice. We don't want the juice. Obvious reasons, it'll be too wet. Absolutely fantastic. Hand in, mix it all together. Come on. Give it a real good mixing. Smells incredible. It actually really does, actually. Smells lovely. And we want an egg. We need an egg in here to bind this. Give it a good mixing up. Okay, we want to take ourselves a tray and we're going to put that on there and we're going to put that in there and we're going to give it a squash in. We are making a meatloaf, so make it into a loaf. Nice, flatten out the best you can. Try and level it out there. Nice and steady. And then we're going to take our spam and that is going on there. Oh, we can move that up a little bit, look. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Fantabulistic. What an idea. Right, now what we're going to do is cover this. I'm going to cover it with foil. I'm going to cover this with foil. And we're going to cook it for about 40 minutes at 180. So in we go. So 35 minutes on the clock. Boom, let it do its thing. Okay, that's the first stage done. Let's have that out of there. So let's just whip off this foil. Look at that. That is tremendous. Whilst I was stood here thinking, I thought, if we glaze that and put it back in, it's just going to be in a tin. So what we are going to do is turn it out into there. Now that's red hot, obviously, so we're going to have to be really careful here, bearing in mind that that doesn't fit and it's going to be full of juice. Oh, I have these crazy ideas. Now what I'm hoping, it might have some collapse, but it shouldn't have all collapsed. Okay, that seemed to drop in there okay. Oh, now you are talking. Wow, now that looks a bit special. Okay, what we're going to do, and this isn't hot obviously, but we will put that on that tray a second. What we need to do is make up a sauce. Now what we've got to do is make up a glaze on there, because that is not quite solid enough, but it will be when it goes back in there for another 20 minutes. So we're in here, I've got some ketchup, and we're going to go in there with about, looking at the size of that, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to go a little splash of Worcester. Want a little bit of a kick in there, don't we? Going to give that a mix in. Okay, we need to glaze up our meatloaf like you would any normal meatloaf. Let's have some glaze on there. See if it can run down the sides without us messing around with it. because I think this may be a little fragile. Fabulous. Come down this side. Oh, I don't have these harebrained ideas. Well, that's got the standard glaze on there, which you would find on any meatloaf. Let's make it Hawaiian. You ain't seen anything like this. That is going back in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. In it goes. And we're going to go for about 15, I'm almost 17 minutes. Let's split it. 15 to 20, we'll go 17. We gotta get a look at this. Oh, meatloaf to blow all meatloafs away. Oh, that is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, I can't wait no longer. I'm going to have to cut into it. It's going to crumble. It's a crumbly meatloaf. It's not wrapped in bacon. Don't stress. Let's go for it. Let's come straight in here through this pineapple. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, we gotta come in here. Under that. Oh, yes, please. Oh. Hawaiian meatloaf made. I can't wait any longer. Come on. Okay, it's not properly cooled down. We're eating it warm. It's not wrapped in bacon, so it's a bit crumbly. But that is real meatloaf. And that has got the spam in it. Oh, come on. In we go. Oh. Bingo. Bingo. Oh, you can taste that. You can taste the pepper through there. The onion. Oh, that is amazing. That is really good. Serve it over some rice with some gravy. Serve it mashed potatoes. Awesome. That is incredible. Come on. And grilled pineapple, spam. That is truly incredible. That is a fantastic alternative to a meatloaf. Don't you get sick of eating the same meatloaf all the time? That is delicious. Oh, so moist, so juicy. Flavour of pepper and onions. That pineapple in there. The glaze and the pineapple. And I love the end, obviously. But, you know, most people do like the end. It's all crusty and caramelized. We got the spam in there. We got the beef. It's just delicious. Now, don't forget, if you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell everybody about the Hawaiian meatloaf. Beef and spam. Oh. And do like what we're doing. Don't forget a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. I'm going to get some mashed potatoes on.